You can work on affiliate marketing as a secondary source of income. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be the only form of income that a person can have. Many people keep their job as an employee and use affiliate marketing to get extra money. Affiliate marketing may be the best option for you. You can use it to generate money in parallel without having any pressure or having to dedicate a lot of time to it. This means that you can be much more relaxed. You can take the time to understand all the method and strategy behind affiliate marketing. By doing this, you will make it work better for you. For those who choose to make it their primary source of income, affiliate marketing could generate much more money than a regular 9-to-5 job. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.